So as I was setting up to test these two Cosmos Audio 13Ks strapped at HAVOC using this SPL Lab, I got a package in the mail. And what this is from Big Jeff Audio. So what happened was I was watching the first episode back from the new year with Big Jeff Audio and BAV Sound. I entered in to win something and I got lucky and got it. So let's see what it is. Now where's that knife at? All right, now I got my knife. Say, for those of you that collect knives, this is a half face blade knife. Special thanks to my brother. Let's see what we got. Hopefully without cutting my fingers. Yeah, it was actually pretty cool. This is only the third time I've actually won anything from anybody. This thing's picked up pretty good. That's sharp knife. Yeah, I ain't the best at this. I ain't professional. Box within a box. Pack and slip. Little happy holidays. Big Jeff Audio. Make sure you follow them. Check them out. YouTube. Yeah, I was kind of surprised it came as fast as it did. Cool thing is, it came at perfect time. Right while I was getting ready to do some amplifier testing. Oh. So I got so what I won was a Big 3 upgrade kit. Looks like it is, Sky High Big 3 upgrade kit. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Big Jeff. Again, I just want to give a big shout out to Big Jeff Audio for the giveaway prize. Make sure you go check out his YouTube channels. Also, be on the lookout for my next YouTube video showing off these two Cosmos Audio 13Ks. You're definitely not going to want to miss this one.